Coinbase is sending a huge signal. The crypto market has gone completely out of control. The price of Shiba Inu seems to have stabilized right now. But this is about to end. The Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs, and the Shiba Inu dev team just revealed how we all can profit from this. Exchanges strike alarm. A situation like this was never seen before. Trillions of Shiba Inu are on the move. But what is actually going on? And why should we be excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. A massive signal just hit the Shiba Inu community, and it's causing a lot of excitement. Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, raised the alarm with a tweet saying, "Over 1.6 trillion Shiba moved off exchanges in the past day. The last time we saw withdrawals like this, Shiba saw a massive price jump." This kind of message sends a huge wave of hype through the community. Simply because moving that much Shiba Inu off exchanges usually means something big could be brewing. When people take their tokens off exchanges, it often means they're planning to hold on to them instead of selling. It's a sign of confidence and expectation that the price might go up soon. For the Shiba Inu community, which is already passionate and tightly connected, this kind of news feels like a rallying cry. It builds excitement, sparks conversations, and gets everyone speculating about what might happen next. When you combine that kind of optimism with real market signals, it creates an electric atmosphere where anything feels possible. But what is actually happening? Well, Shiba Inu could be on the brink of a double-digit price spike, as investors are pulling massive amounts of Shiba Inu off crypto exchanges. Yesterday, well-known crypto chartist Ali Martinez pointed out that in just 24 hours, over 1.67 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved from exchanges to private wallets. This is a big deal because when coins are taken off exchanges, they're less likely to be sold in the short term, which helps reduce selling pressure. Martinez also highlighted that this isn't the first time we've seen such a move. A similar surge in Shiba Inu withdrawals happened before, and it led to a massive price jump of 62%. With fewer tokens available for immediate trading on exchanges, there's less supply in the market, which can create a perfect setup for a price surge. So, if the current trend continues, Shiba Inu might be gearing up for a significant move upwards. But wait, when will this happen? Is there any specific time we need to prepare for? Well, to answer that question, we need to take a look at the broader crypto market. And it is absolutely buzzing right now, and it's not hard to see why. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, just smashed through to a new all-time high of almost $98,000 according to CoinGecko. That's not just a small jump. It's up almost 6% in the last 24 hours alone. With its market cap inching closer to an eye-watering $2 trillion, Bitcoin is once again proving why it's the big player in this space. This massive rally isn't coming out of nowhere either. It's largely driven by a flood of new investments into Bitcoin ETFs. For example, BlackRock's ETF alone brought in a staggering $600 million in fresh money on Wednesday. That's a clear sign that institutional investors are doubling down on Bitcoin's potential. And here's where things get even crazier. The odds of Bitcoin hitting the $100,000 mark this November are now sitting at 81% on Polymarket, a popular betting site. Think about that for a second. 81%. That's not just a prediction. It's practically a strong belief from a huge number of people betting real money. In the world of betting, odds like this don't happen often unless there's serious momentum. It's a bold indicator of the confidence people have in Bitcoin right now, and honestly, it's nothing short of wild. Bitcoin has already surged about 40% this November, and we're only 20 days in. It's a massive run that's capturing everyone's attention. But while Bitcoin is flying high, the rest of the crypto market isn't keeping up. Take Shiba Inu, for example. It hasn't caught the same bullish wave. This has left many people scratching their heads. One Twitter user summed it up perfectly. Bitcoin almost at 97,000 and nothing else is moving. This is the strangest bull market I've ever experienced. Questions like this come naturally because in past bull markets, when Bitcoin surged, the excitement usually spilled over to other coins. People expect a domino effect, where Bitcoin's rise brings confidence to the whole market. It's like a ripple. When the biggest player performs, it usually lifts everything around it. That's why it feels so strange for Bitcoin to be soaring while major altcoins are barely moving. It challenges what we've come to expect in crypto, and that's what makes this bull market so unique and a little puzzling. But here's the key thing to understand. Bitcoin always tends to move first in every bull market. As one user pointed out, when Bitcoin rallies, it pulls in all the money and attention, leaving the rest of the market quiet. That's because people often sell their altcoins to chase Bitcoin's momentum, hoping to catch the big gains. It's like a magnet. Bitcoin's rise draws everything toward it. Even big investors prefer Bitcoin during these moments. It's seen as the safer bet, especially when the market is heating up. This is something the Shiba Inu team's Lucy has also explained. It's just part of how the crypto cycle works. Once Bitcoin slows down after hitting its peak, that's usually when altcoins start to shine. They bounce back as attention shifts and money flows back into them. So while it might feel strange right now, this pattern has played out many times before. Bitcoin leads the charge, and then altcoins follow. It's just the natural rhythm of the crypto market. And before we see any big moves with Shiba Inu or other altcoins, there's something important to keep in mind. As one Twitter user put it, a true alt season can't start until Bitcoin dominance reverses. Right now, it's still going parabolic. Patience, and watch the chart. And they're right. Bitcoin dominance, which measures how much of the crypto market is focused on Bitcoin, needs to settle down before altcoins can take off. They also make another great point. Even if you don't hold Bitcoin, it's better to sit back and enjoy this rally. They explain that a premature altcoin surge wouldn't last long and could actually harm the market. It's like letting the foundation set before building the rest. If altcoins start pumping too early, it might lead to a quick crash instead of sustainable growth. And well, this perspective makes total sense. Bitcoin sets the stage for the rest of the market, and its dominance is a signal for when the next phase can begin. By letting Bitcoin do its thing first, the market as a whole becomes stronger, and when altcoins finally rise, they have more room to grow. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's part of the strategy. And now, getting back to huge Shiba Inu outflow from the exchanges, and the possibility of a big price surge for Shiba Inu, it's important to understand something. According to Ali Martinez, Shiba Inu is having trouble breaking through a key resistance level. This level has been a sticking point because many investors who bought Shiba Inu around this price are likely to sell if the price starts rising. If Shiba Inu can push past this resistance, however, it could set the stage for a price jump to higher levels. Martinez also pointed out an interesting pattern on Shiba Inu's chart, something called a bull flag. This pattern often appears after a strong rally and a period of consolidation, signaling that the asset could be gearing up for another major move upwards. If Shiba Inu successfully breaks through that resistance, this bull flag could push the price even higher. While there's a potential for Shiba Inu to rise significantly, the key is overcoming that stubborn resistance. If it does, the price could surge much higher, with analysts predicting it could rise by more than 50%. So while things are looking promising, it all hinges on Shiba Inu breaking through this crucial barrier. And this could all happen even sooner than we expect. Coinbase has just taken the #1 spot in the finance category on the iOS App Store in the US, which is a huge deal. The last time Coinbase reached this level of popularity, it was partly because Shiba Inu was generating so much trading volume. In fact, Coinbase even added Shiba Inu to its app name, highlighting just how much attention the token was getting at the time. And now that Coinbase has reached this level of success again, it's a clear signal that Shiba Inu could be in the spotlight once more. With Coinbase's popularity through the roof, it's likely we're about to see a surge in Shiba Inu's visibility and trading activity. This could be the perfect moment for Shiba Inu to take the next step in its growth, just like it did before. It's all about timing, and with Coinbase leading the charge, Shiba Inu might be ready to catch the wave again. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money. So, don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.